Alright, it's been, I don't know, a couple weeks since checking up on my hungry bin with the red worms. I put a bungee cord here. Ugh, let me try and get it out. Hang on. And I had to not double, but quadruple the layers of this covering because the gnats were still coming through. So I don't know what I'm going to find here. I haven't been here. I haven't noticed any gnats coming out. So out of these layers. So hopefully it's enough to, I don't know. Let's see what we have in here. There are gnats still. Ugh. Wow. Okay, there's gnats still on the inside. I'm going to need 2 hands to take this off, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let me see what's going on here. I see some mites. Can't tell if they're alive or not. They're just on top of this once wet eggshell. I mean egg crate. Ooh. Well, that didn't work out so well, did it? Take this out. Put it out into the light here. Ugh, maybe they'll get off. Don't come back. Alright, I'm gimping along. I've twisted my ankle while we were gone. Okay, so I'm assuming it's going to be the same. Oh, look, we have some growth here. I'm just going to take them all out here. Oh, did get some mites here on the end. Oh my gosh, all of these are just kind of like coming at me. Alright, take them all out at once. And we can really see what's happened in the bin for the past couple weeks. Let me get rid of these. Okay. So I guess the top breathed very well and didn't keep any moisture inside. Oh, I'm assuming these are pumpkin seeds that are growing here. Not anymore. Alright. Let's see what we have in here. Do you see worms? They've worked it all up until the very top layers. Just nice. That means it is moist down here. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Look at this. All right. Don't know what I'm going to do any different here. Oh, here's a patch of worms, hopefully. Since they've gone through their food, obviously they're not going to have any big worm balls or anything like that. Okay, let's see. Not very many remnants of the food that was left here a couple weeks ago. Okay. Wow. They've done a real good job of breaking down the food that was here. I don't remember what was here, but there's no big chunks or big pieces of anything. This is a corn cob, I think. As customary for this bin, let me dig in a little bit in the center. Let's see what's happening here, if anything. It doesn't appear to be warmer here in the center. They're just hanging out doing their thing. Alright, and that's in the center here of the bin. Alright. Now what? Let's put some food down. Put it in the center here. Let me get some dry bedding. Put a small layer down. And so what we have here. Okay, old pancakes, unfortunately. There's some, bottom piece of a romaine, some banana peel, orange, orange peels, more banana peels. What is this? Looks like a grape. Lime. Looks like here's some old eggs. Leftover scrambled eggs. Looks like somebody stuck that in there. Which is okay. They'll do fine on it. I think that's about it. Okay. Get some eggshell. And do have some neem seed meal or neem cake. And I don't have any wet bedding, but I do have a bunch of dry bedding I'll put on here. But let me cover some of this up with the existing bedding. Mix it up just a little bit. And last but not least, I'm going to top it with dry bedding this time. See if that makes any difference between, you know, any bugs, existing bugs. I think that should be it. Oh. I'll try and wet the egg crates again. Put it on top of here to help negate any more gnats. I don't know why I'm trying it. It didn't work the first time, so why should it work this time? In fact, let me not do it. We'll just do it this way. Now cover it with the existing black cloth. And that's it for this time, so thank you for coming on this journey with me.